Hello friends, in my last video we have seen how to find out the squares of the number which are above base and below base. Today we will see how to find out the squares of any two-digit numbers. Today we will start first with the numbers which are having their unit place digit as 5. So let us see how to find out the squares of the numbers which are having their ones place digit as 5. Suppose you have to find out the square of 45. Then to find out the square of 45, first we'll have to take the square of 5. The square of 5 is 25. So I'll write this as 25. Then this number is 4. The next number is 5. So 4 into 5 you have to do. That is 4 into 5 you will get 20. And this is how we are finding the squares of the number which are having their unit place digit as 5. Let us take one more example. Again the same method. That is, first we have to take the square of 5. The square of 5 is 25. Now this digit is 6. So next digit is 7. So 6 into 7, that is 42. And this will give you the square of 65. We'll try to find out the square of 85. Again the square of 5 is 25. This is 8. So 8, the next digit is 9. So 8 into 9, that is 72. This is the square of 85. Now this is not only applicable for the two-digit number, but it is also applicable for any numbers which are having their unit place digit as 5. Let us see how to find out the square of 105 then. Again the same thing, that is the square of 5 as 25. Now this digit is 10. The next digit will be 11. So 10 into 11 you will get 110. So this is 11025. That is the square of 105. If I want to find out the square of 115, then it is again same. That is, first find the square of 5. Square of 5 is 25. Then this is 11. The next digit is 12. So 11 into 12 you will get 132. And this will give you the square of 115. But this is only applicable for the numbers which are having their unit place digit as 5. Now let us see how to find out the squares of the number which are not having their unit place digit as 5. Now let us see how to find out the square of 42. To find out the square of 42, the first thing that you have to do is, you have to find the square of this 2, that is the unit place digit. The square of 2 is 4, so I am writing 4 as it is. If you are getting two digits, then the one digit, that is unit place digit, you have to write here, and the other digits you have to take carry. Since here only one digit, so I am writing 4 as it is. Now the next thing is, you have to multiply this number, that is 4 into 2, 8. Then 8 into 2, that is 16. Now I am getting 16, so I will write only 6. 1 will be carry. The next step is, you have to take the square of this 4. The square of 4 is 16 and 1 carry was there. So that 16 plus 1, that is 17. That is 1764 is the square of 42. Now let us try to understand it once again. First what you have to do, you have to take the square of ones place digit. Here the ones place digit is 2. The square of 2 is 4, so I have written 4 as it is. Then you have to multiply these numbers, all these three numbers, that is 4, 2 and this 2 also. So it is 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. I got 16, so I am writing 6 over here and 1 will be carry. Then we have to take the square of this 4. The square of 4 is 16 plus 1 carry, that is 17. This is how we are going to find out the square of any two-digit numbers. Now let us take few more examples. We'll try to find out the square of 73. Again, The ones place digit is 3. The square of 3 is 9. So I am writing 9 as it is. Then this is 7 into 3, 21. 21 into 2, that is 42. So I am writing 2 here, 4 carry. Then 7 square is 49. 49 plus 4, that is 53. And this is the square of 73. Take few more examples. Suppose we have to find out the square of 98. We know how to find out the square of 98 using the below base method. That also I will explain you here once again. But right now we'll try to find out the square of 98 by this method. So first the square of 8. Square of 8 is 64. So I am writing 4 here. This 6 will be carry. Then this one 9 into 8, 72. 72 into 2, that is 144, plus this 6, that is 115. So 0 I am writing, 15 will be carry. Then 9 square is 81. 81 plus 15, you will get 96. We will solve this method, we will find out the square of this 98 using the below base method also. So we can write this number as 98/02 because this is 2 less than 100. The base is 100 here. Now what we do, we find the square of this 2. The square of 2 is 4. So I am writing 04 as the base is 100. And then 98 minus 2, you will get 9604. I told you the square of 98 by both the methods. Whatever method you find it easy, that you need to apply. So this is how we are going to find out the square of any 2-digit number. I'll explain you one more method. That method is called as diagonal method. So let us see the diagonal method to find out the square of 2-digit numbers. Suppose we have to find out the square of 43. Now to find out the square of 43, we have to make 4 squares like this. Now write 4 here, 3 here, vertically. Horizontally also you have to write 4 and 3. Now multiply by this 4 with this 4 and 3, that is 4 into 4 you will get 16 right here. 4 into 3 you will get 12 right here. Then 3 into 4 you will get 12 right here, and 3 into 3, 9 you will get. Now you have to write the elements diagonally. That's why this method is called as diagonal method. Now in the first square, if you are taking the diagonal, there is only one number, that is 9. So you have to write 9 as it is. If there is a number more than 10, then you have to write only one digit and the other digits you have to take carry. Now here, if you along this diagonal, there are two numbers, that is 12 and 12. So we have to add them, that is 12 plus 12, you will get 24. So I am writing 4 here, 2 will be carry. Now along this diagonal, there is only one number, that is 16, and 2 carry over there. So 16 plus 2 will get 18, 1849, that is the square of 43. Let us see one more example of this method. We'll find out the square of 76. So again, this 4 square, write 7, 6, again 7, 6. Then 7 into 7, you will get 49. 7 into 6, 42. Then 6 into 7, again 42. And then 6 into 6, you will get 46. Once this is done, it's very easy to write the squares of the number. So we'll write here. So first diagonal, the number is 36. So I am writing 6 only, 3 will be carry. Now this is 42 plus 42. You will find that these two numbers along this diagonal, they are always same. So this 42 plus 42, you will get 84 plus this carry 3. 84 plus 3, you will get 87 and then 8 carry. Then 49 plus 8, 49 plus 8, you will get 57. This is how we are going to find out the squares of any 2-digit number. The number which are very close to the bases, you need to apply the method below base. The numbers which are slightly above the bases, you have to apply the above base method. And for other numbers, you can apply any one of this method. Either you can apply the diagonal method or the method which I have shown you first. So it is up to you that which method you choose. I have given you this method. So please practice this one, because if you don't practice, you will forget this method. And please keep watching my videos. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.